Hello and welcome back to the channel. You're watching Fighting Falcons. In this video, we will learn how to implement air-to-air mode in the F-16. So on your left side is the MFT, and inside it's flight control radar display. In order to go onto the air-to-air mode, you need to press the air-to-air button on the ICP panel. All the buttons around the MFTs are called OSBs. We will cycle from anti-clockwise to clockwise manner. So this will be OSB 1, OSB 2, OSB 3, OSB 4, OSB 5 and onwards. The USB 1 shows the two main modes of the F-16, the combined radar mode and the active combat mode. The second USB shows the sub modes of CRM, the RWS range while scan, uplook search, ULS, velocity search radar, and SAM mode, that is situational awareness, STT and TWS track while scan. Situational awareness mode and STT are used in RWS mode. Now let's cycle through the OSB 3. It's for the field of view. If you find a target and there's numerous targets jumbled up and you want to take one target, so this USB is used to expand the target. Once you TMS up and expand it, so it will have a minute details about the detected target. Now the fourth USB is used as an override button to stop the or freeze the air-to-air mode. But once you again press it, it will start working. I won't discuss the control page right now. Now if you see on your right side, there are numbers and a word called assign. These are IDM, improved data modem, the predecessor of Link 16. It is used to give the target to one of your formation. For example, there are numerous targets that are coming towards you. You track one target, you lock it, and you press any of the button, 1, 2 or 3 or 4, anyone that you want to circulate the target. So you lock it and send it to your second or third formation in the lead. So this is the function, and it works in IDM, that is improved data modem. Now if you see on your lower left side a circle, blue circle, it's the aircraft position relative to bullseye. Above it, the blue line shows the radar cursor's position relative to bullseye. Now this OSB shows the bar settings of the radar. The bar settings is the vertical scan limit of the radar. The higher the bar setting, the higher is the vertical scan limit. The lower is the bar setting, the lower is the vertical scan limit of the radar. The higher the bar settings, the slower is the refresh rate. Now this is the azimuth scan setting of the radar. It is the lateral scan limit. The higher the azimuth setting, the wider is the lateral scan limit of the radar, and the refresh rate is very low. Now this is the radar range. It varies from 5 miles to 160 miles. In range while scan, you don't get the tracking data of the enemy. but you can use two modes in this: situational awareness and STT. In situational awareness, right now, I lock a target, and if I want to cycle through another target, I can cycle it through moving my radar cursor and lock another target at simultaneously. Now I can use TMS right to cycle through both of the target and fire missile on them. If you see above, there are some more information about the enemy. Just below the CRM, there's the aspect angle of the enemy. Then the second is the heading, the third is the current speed, and the fourth is the closure speed of the targeting enemy. Now the second mode is uplook search. It is used to track higher targets that are currently moving at higher altitude as compared to your current altitude. Now the third one is velocity search radar. It is used for high speed targets that are moving towards you, and for a shorter range it is used. Now this mode is called track while scan, and it is one of my favorite mode because in this you can track and fire missile on multiple targets. And the most important thing in this TWS mode is, in other mode, when you fire the missile abruptly, the adversary gets RWR warning. But in TWS mode, once you fire the missile and it gets pitbull, when it's active, so the adversary gets the RWR warning. And at that time, till that time, it becomes very late for the adversary to evade the target, and the possibility of kill is very high in this TWS mode. Hope this video was informative for you, and you like the video. Please subscribe and help me reach 2,000 followers and subscribers. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.